outside and miserable.
Just want to point out, Vokerson, Brother Martin grad.
Yes, he is a Brother Martin grad. We
Just
know.
saying.
No, there is a lot of rivalry that is in this newsroom. You just don't know.
There's quite a bit.
When it comes to high schools.
No, yeah. Well, when we get 3 locals, it's going to happen.
Yeah.
But Doug's on my team,
Yes, he is.
so we outnumber you. It's all that matters.
There are a few Warren Easton folks in the newsroom. So.
But not at the desk right now.
Oh, one right here though.
I'm taking myself out of this discussion.
Just do it, North Shore.
North Shore wins.
Just do it, North Shore.
Well, look,
Okay,
it's
yes.
been hot. It's
It has
hot.
been. Well, we'll call it hot, just for lack of a better term. I'm saying very warm. I'm reserving hot for when we hit 90 degrees. 85, not terrible, considering our average is 82. So we're pretty close to where we are supposed to be and nowhere near the records. In fact, looking ahead to this week, records are in the low 90s, and I do believe we're going to be staying shy of those over the next several days. Our morning, though, was not particularly mild at all, 60s to low 70s. So morning lows not getting very cool because of the higher humidity, and that really is going to be the case for the rest of this week. A lot of sunshine outside. We've had some passing clouds and even fewer isolated showers around. 82 is our current temperature with dew points in the upper 60s. So humidity is high. It has been all weekend. 65%. Winds out of the south at 13. So that is bringing back the Gulf moisture, and that not really going anywhere anytime soon. We're in the low, some mid 80s outside at the moment, but dew points, the moisture in the atmosphere, high, and these levels are not going to be dropping anytime soon. Even as a cold front moves into the area toward the end of the week. Winds out of the south, at least there is a little bit of a breeze. As we get toward July, August, September, obviously will be much hotter, but that's when you have more of that stagnant air where there is no breeze. At least a little bit of a wind does make it feel somewhat more comfortable. Little upper disturbance that's actually well to our north is helping to bring in a little bit of passing cloud cover and even fewer little isolated showers. Had one around Madisonville and a little tropical funnel develop. Didn't become a water spout or anything like that, but just kind of as we continue through the warmer and hotter months, these are going to be very common where you see these little funnels kind of spitting off of even some very weak showers. Staying warm, humid. I think we'll stay shy of the record temperatures over the next several days, even though we'll be getting very warm, but a better chance of rain is on the way for Friday. Not a terrible thing, as we could use the rainfall, maybe not the greatest if you're headed out to Jazz Fest. Here's what's going on right now. I was mentioning a disturbance that's moving by us right now with a passing cloud cover. That's actually from a storm system that is up across the high plains where you're getting snow on the backside of it across parts of Colorado, Nebraska, Kansas. Severe weather breaking out south in through Oklahoma, maybe even North Texas. So the active weather pattern is now shifted, as we've been saying really since last couple of weeks, farther to our north. These upper disturbances really don't move very far south, so the main energy stays north. We will, however, see an upper low that will start approaching as we get toward the end of the week. Now, again, the main energy staying to our north, but it may be that this one is far enough south that it does help to push a front into the area by Friday. That will increase our rain chances, and as I said, much needed. As it sends a front our way, unfortunately, not really bringing us any drier air. This is the moisture level, the humidity in the atmosphere. Here we go from Thursday into Friday. The front gets close, but it looks like the drier air is just up to our north. So maybe into southwestern Mississippi, we do feel a little bit of that drier, less humid air move in. But otherwise, it looks like we're going to stay on the humid side through the weekend. What that front, though, will do is increase our rain chances for Friday. As I said, we do need it. Maybe not the greatest thing for folks headed out to Jazz Fest, but it doesn't look like it'll be a washout of a day. I also mentioned we're going to be staying shy of record temperatures, even as highs get into the upper 80s, maybe even near 90 degrees. Even if we squeak out a 90 on these days, that is still shy of the records. 92 is the record Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday with that better chance of rain and increase in clouds. It does look like it'll keep our temperatures down by a little bit, but we are staying very warm. And again, not forecasting 90 for this week. Historically speaking, looking at the records at Kenner, the first 90 of the year is usually by about May 18th. We could get close, though, as we head toward the start of next week, because it looks as though a stronger upper ridge will be building in over the area. So weak upper ridge keeping us relatively dry and very warm. Chance of rain Friday, dry and then turning hotter as we get toward early next week.